Hey, it's Ian, and today we have the Multiport surge protecting charging station. Now, we've sold something like this in the past, but this is the all-new upgraded version. Let me show you what's new. Now, this is going to give you 6 grounded outlets so you can plug in all kinds of appliances and electronics. Plus, they're configured in a way to where you can use all of them without them getting in the way of each other. Plus, unlike cheaper models, this one comes with surge protection, so you can be sure that all of your expensive electronics will remain safe. Now, my favorite feature is that this also comes equipped with USB ports, both USB-A and USB-C, which I really love because it seems like every new electronic that comes out these days is powered by USB-C. Not to mention, I can charge all of my phones, tablets, and other electronics without having to take up precious outlet space. Speaking of outlets, you are going to love how easy this is to install. Simply plug it into any existing outlet. Please note that this will not be compatible with GFCI outlets. Now, if you do want a more permanent solution, you can remove the faceplate to your outlet and screw it in using the included mounting screw. Now, this is going to be great for all around the house, like the bedroom, kitchen, living room, just to name a few, because not only will this meet all of your power needs, but it also includes an integrated nightlight. Now, when you plug this in, the nightlight should automatically turn on, but with just a tap of the touch sensor, you can choose to change the light intensity or turn it off completely. Not to mention, this is ETL listed for safety and compliance. That, paired with the fact that this is a surge protector, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you have a high quality and well-made unit in your home. Now, we have an awesome deal on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on, so head on over there and grab yours today.